Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set 240 Hz on AOC monitor. So first of all, you'll need to know that your monitor is capable of doing 240 Hz, and then what you'll need to do is just right click it, then go to display settings on your computer, and right here you'll see your display. So scroll down until you see advanced display settings. And right here you'll see your hertz. So mine is capable only for 144, but what we'll need to do is choose refresh rate right here, as you can see by clicking on this button. And that's how you'll be able to change your hertz for AOC monitor. There is another way how you can do that is by simply going to advanced settings. So just go graphics right here and make sure it is set to high performance on the game you're playing. And basically if you go and type right here search and type display, let me just type that, okay, so it doesn't open mine other window, but if you're having Windows 10, it should open different window and you'll be able to change your hertz through there. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.